guys my room today. Come in.
Hello everybody, thank you for joining in today and thanks to all of you for requesting this video. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy it.
Let me show you guys my wardrobe. These are some dresses and these are some jumpers and some shirts. These are my party dresses and these are my pajamas and these are my pants. I got something next to my pants. These are some leggings and these some buttons to put it around our head.
Yeah, the buttons.
Yeah, it's important when Allah comes.
Yeah.
And top there, it's so high we can't see it. So can my mommy tell me what is it?
Oh, those are your skirts and I think some more books.
Yeah.
Okay, these are your party dresses. Which one are your favorite?
Pink one and the golden one and a white one.
Really?
Yeah. Let me push that away. Okay.
Okay, which one is your favorite between these two?
The golden one.
Golden one.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
The golden one looks so pretty, but it's very golden and shiny and it's so yellow. There's a flower there.
Mm-hmm.
And this is a pink one. There's 3 flowers or lots of flowers.
And what about those?
These are the zippers on the back.
Mm-hmm. What about that white one? Let me show you. Okay, which one is your favorite between these two?
The other flower one because it's so long dress here. So this is so pretty.
Okay, and what about the butterfly one?
This is very good as well because this butterfly match on my wall.
Oh, yes.
Now let me show you guys my makeup. Now it's in there. I got some glasses, my bag, and my rings. And these are also machines, but these didn't work. It's just a toy, but you can. It's for your hair. It didn't work. You see, didn't work. I got 3 of them. I got makeup here, and I got some necklace, another necklace.
Which one is your favorite glasses?
Oh, this is my favorite glasses, and this and this. And this. I think this is my favorite because it got flowers and sprinkles. Let me show you guys. It looks good. See, it's the sunglasses.
Okay, what else you have got?
I got lots of makeup. I got this one, this one, this one. I got lots of lipstick. I got 2 nail polish. And, oh, I forgot. I got the cupcake, some makeup. And I got a kitty one. Let me show you what is inside. I just want to show you the last one, okay? So, again, show you. That's so hard. Okay. I got heart, and another heart, and another heart, and another heart.
What's
and
inside
another.
here?
Oh, I forgot to show you. Let me just close it. Okay. I got some rings. this is my favorite and this is my favorite.
Can you show us? Try it on.
Okay. So, this is my favorite.
Hmm.
This is for the other one.
Beautiful. What else you have got?
Let me just close them. Okay. And this is important thing. My teacher said bring that to school because I can't see at school. I can see now. Look like I'm gonna keep it.
Okay, you can keep it. What's inside here?
Oh, I got some ponies.
Okay, bands and
Brush and pins.
can we see your pins?
Yeah. Oopsie. Let me open it.
Which one is your favorite?
Oh!
Which one is your favorite?
The pink one and the unicorn one.
Okay. What else?
Oh, and a rainbow one.
Mm-hmm.
What's the other rainbow one?
Oh, we will find it later.
Yeah.
Put them back and let's see what you have got in the other drawer.
Okay, let's see. Another pin.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I got a crab. Look like I'm a princess.
You are a princess. Ah. Okay, there are some more bands, more bands, more bands. What's this?
Oh, these are some. Let me open that for you so you can see properly because there's a sticker here. These are my clips. Oh, I forgot. This is you want to put on your head. Ooh, this is for look. Stuck.
La la.
Oh, and I also got some necklace. Ooh la. Look.
Aww. Okay, I can see something else inside.
Oh.
Inside the drawer.
Inside the drawer? Okay, I'll show you my shiny bracelet. Oops, it's open, it's upset.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I want to show you these one and this one.
You got so many bangles, right?
And ooh, I got some of these pink ones.
Okay.
Oh, and I got a rainbow one as well.
Yeah. We got this from Pakistan. Put them back.
Yeah, that's for Pakistan. When I was little, I used to wear this. And here. Ooh.
Let's check the other drawers.
Yeah. We already saw these. We already saw these. We already saw these. Let's check. Oh, this is a baby. Look like I'm a baby.
This is your baby stuff.
These are some baby socks.
Baby
And
socks.
there's some socks in there and some gloves.
Like mittens, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I will show you the last drawer. I think this is my favorite. Yeah, look like I'm a cowboy. And this is my favorite. And Mickey Mouse. What the Mickey Mouse is doing here? You guys, my bed. Her name is Elsa, and her name is Anna, and this funny boy is Olaf. And I also got a big teddy. I'm not scared. I'm brave because I'm 5.
And you sleep here at night time?
Yeah.
And you're not scared at all?
Yeah.
Yours.
It's just a comfy bed.
It is.
My mommy put butterflies from here, so me and mommy stick it together. So many butterflies. There's hundreds of butterflies. Yeah, that's 100. That's million, thousand, 100. I got so many books. These are Peppa's books. These are also mine. This is baby's. And this is the fun one. And my mommy used to draw something in here for me. And these are my toys. And these are toys inside the boxes. And I got 2 big ones and one over there. So many dolls. This is my favorite. I used to play with it when I was little. And this is Elsa and Anna. But these are my favorite as well.
What about this big one?
Ooh! She can hold something. She's my favorite as well. Got lots of cars in there. I got some little one. And I got the one big one. That he got a mustache, but that's a truck. This is my toy, Peter.
What's inside here?
Oh, this is some roads.
A road game, right?
Yeah, that's for the cars. Just like I got cars in there. This is my house. I got something inside. There is. This is a baby room, and this is a piano. This you make a dress. This is a toilet. This is a bedroom. This is a living room, and this is a kitchen. These are some chairs from the girls' house. And this is also the chair which you go up.
You mean stairs, not
Yeah.
chairs.
Chair?
Stairs, yeah, to go upstairs.
There.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
What you have got in this box?
These are my bags to go outside with it if I need something.
Which one is your favorite bag?
These 2.
These 2.
Yeah, these are my favorite. I hang my clothes here, but I can't reach top one, but I can reach here. You guys like my video, and I hope you like my room. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!
Such a good job. Give me a high five. I love you.
I love you too.
Oh.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and any other content you want to see, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.